Wig Studio One YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new style in part 2 of the Jon Renau's Fall 2024 collection. This one is called Celeste in the color 22F16S8. You can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. This is Celeste in the color 22F16S8, otherwise known as Venice Blonde. And Celeste is a long, feminine, wavy style. It has some wispy layers, a butterfly cut bang. It has a real retro appeal, and I think it works so well with a turtleneck. It just brings out all of that layering, don't you think? And all of the pieces in this collection are made from the HD fiber by Jon Renau. It stands for heat defiant. It is heat friendly, so you can use your heat tools. But what I can tell you about this fiber is that it's soft, fine, and silky. That gives this a nice light, wispy, airy texture. It's not too dense. It's a nice light density. Of course, you know, another side benefit to it being heat friendly is that it doesn't have an inordinate amount of shine. It just reflects light a little bit differently compared to a regular synthetic. So this Venice Blonde is a combination of a light honey blonde with some ash blonde in there, as well as a medium root. And overall, it's a cool mixture. However, I do believe that there's enough of that honey coming through that gives it just a touch of warmth. It makes it look very realistic. I referred to this as a nice light density. It's average to light density. So compared to other wigs of this length, I think you'll find that this one feels very light, airy, and natural on. Some of that has to do with the cap as well. So on this style, you're going to see a temple-to-temple lace front that does extend back into the ear tab. Remember, Jon Renau uses a welded lace front. It's called their Smart Lace, and it's just exquisite. So let's take a look at that real quick. You can see that they bring the highlight right up to the root. That gives it a nice soft look right there at the front. Now this one does have a full single monofilament top as well. And you're definitely getting the illusion of scalp anywhere you want to part it on the top. I find this lace to be delicate yet strong. It lays flat to the head. There's no shininess or scratchiness to this lace, so it's very well.